Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about effect of temperature and substrate concentration on enzymes. Increase in temperature speeds up the rate of enzymes catalyzed reactions, but only to a point. Every enzyme works at its maximum rate at a specific temperature called optimum temperature, and at optimum temperature rate of enzyme activity is maximum, and the optimum temperature for the maximum working speed of human is 37 degree centigrade. As you all know that enzymes are globular proteins. When temperature rises to a certain limit, heat adds in the activation energy and also provides kinetic energy for the reaction. So the reactions are accelerated. But when temperature is raised well above the optimum temperature, heat energy increases. The vibrations of atoms of enzymes and the globular structure, as you can watch here, is lost. This is known as denaturation. These temperatures adds activation energy to this reaction, and it provides kinetic energy for the reaction, due to which the globular structure of enzyme is destroyed. So the enzyme nature is destroyed. That is known as denaturation. As you can watch here, when temperature is increased, then enzyme gains kinetic energy, and after optimum temperature, enzyme nature is lost. So it will be enzyme denaturation. Now I am going to discuss about effect of substrate concentration. By increasing the rate of substrate, the enzyme activity increases. Consider these two logs as enzymes, and these are two active sites of enzymes. So if we are keeping enzymes constant and increasing the substrate, then only two active sites will be occupied, like this, and only two active sites are occupied. There is no free active site for substrates. So at high substrate concentration, any more substrate molecule do not find any free site, and this is called saturation, and reaction rate does not increase. So that was all about saturation. If enzyme concentration is kept constant and amount of substrate is increased, a point is reached when any further increase in substrate does not increase the rate of reaction anymore. When the active sites of all enzymes are occupied at high substrate concentration, any more substrate molecule do not find free active sites. This state is known as saturation. Here you can watch all active sites are not occupied, and there is saturation of active sites on increasing substrate concentration. So that was all about effect of temperature and substrate concentration on enzyme activity. Your diary is read and memorize key points from textbook pages 109 1010 and show effect of temperature and substrate concentration on enzyme activity by plotting graph. That was all about effect of temperature and substrate concentration on enzyme activity. Thank you and have a nice day.